show you kind of what we got here. Got this little pulser device, allows you to pulse the injectors, a couple different modes on it, and then we got it set up to a 12-volt Milwaukee style battery. Comes with the adapters for different injectors, allows you to spray an aerosol type product through them. And you can do 2 at a time, but you only get one size of each, so you can't clean 2 at a time. So we hit it with the gum out carb cleaner first, and then immediately after run through some nap cleaner through it, just to make sure it doesn't degrade the injector itself. And it doesn't matter which side you connect the red positive or negative to on the injectors. So I've heard people say you need to hold it like this because sometimes it can shoot them out. I'm going to do it just in case I don't want to shoot them out. The pulsing, and like that. You speak of it and it shall happen, right? You can definitely feel the pressure behind it while holding it. See, not too good a seal on that gum out, but this one does kind of have a better seal. And that's it. You can order yourself a rebuild kit for your injectors. They're usually pretty darn cheap compared to buying new or remanufactured. As long as the impedance, the resistance on them is good, they should be fine. But also doing this test right here, doing a little clean out, you can also see the spray pattern, which these are single hole, that's why it was just one certain stream. But yeah, it's a nice little tool to have. I recommend it. It's called Injector Tester. You can find it on Amazon. Not a plug.